fines and penalties ng pag nahuli kayo. Ano? So, alam ko maraming nag-search na ito sa inyo. So, ito na. This is from the book, no, from LTO. And by the way, kung bago ka lang sa akin channel, I am Mr. Joel Berino, isa po akong LTO, accredited driving instructor. From light to heavy vehicle. And then, don't forget to like, share, at ikaw na rin po bahala mag-subscribe sa akin channel. So, proceed. Natalo tayo sa fines and penalties, no? So, ito, papakita ko sa inyo. Kayo na po bahala mag-post, no? So, ito yung sa violation in connection with licensing. Driving without a valid driver's permit or conductor's permit is 3,000 plus 1 year suspension. Driving a motor vehicle used in a commission of crime is 10,000 plus perpetual disqualification and impounding of motor vehicle. Commission of a crime in a course of apprehension, 10,000 pesos plus 5-year suspension and impounding of motor vehicle. Next is reckless driving. First offense is 2,000. Second offense, 3,000. Third offense is 10,000 pesos, no? Plus 3 months suspension sa second offense. Third is 6 months. Fourth and succeeding, ayon, non-professional 2 years revocation. And succeeding PDL is perpetual revocation na. Aray ko. So, submission of fake documents is 3,000 plus 1 year disqualification plus criminal charge. Failure to carry driver's license, certificate of registration, and OR, no, while driving a motor vehicle is 1,000 pesos only. So, wala nang first offense or second offense. Basta pag nahuli ka, 1,000 pesos. And, all other violation of traffic rules and regulation. Sa parking, no? No parking, 1,000. Disregarding traffic sign, 1,000. Allowing passengers in top or cover of a motor vehicle, 1,000. And then, failure to provide canvas cover, 1,000. Permitting passenger to ride on board or stepboard or mudguard of motor vehicle, 1,000. Failure to dim lights when approaching another motor vehicle. Ito yung pag naka-high ka, no? So, 1,000 pesos. Driving in a place not intended for traffic or into a place not allowed for parking is 1,000. Teaching or permitting a person. Ito yung nagsasakay tayo, no, sa ating mga motor vehicle. Bawa sa expressway, kaya may nakikita kayong no hitching. Yan yun, 1,000 pesos. Driving against the flow of the traffic or 1,000. Illegal turn, 1,000. Illegal overtaking, 1,000. Overtaking an unsafe distance, 1,000. Cutting an overtaking vehicle, 1,000. Failure to give way to an overtaking vehicle, 1,000 pesos. Increasing an speed when being overtaken, 1,000. Overtaking when left side is not visible or clear on traffic, 1,000. Overtaking upon crest or a grade, 1,000. Overtaking upon a curve is 1,000 pesos. Overtaking railway grade crossing, 1,000. Overtaking at an intersection, 1,000 pesos. Overtaking at no overtaking zone is 1,000. Failure to yield or the right of way, no? Ito yung hindi natin pagbibigay. 1,000. Failure to right of way in an intersection, 1,000. And failure to give to yield right of way of highway within business or residential district, to yield the right of way of pedestrian crossing. Yan, pag di tayo nagbigay sa pedestrian, 1,000. Failure to stop before traversing through highway or railroad crossing, 1,000. Failure to yield right of way, na naman, from a highway to yield right of way to all vehicles approaching on such highway. So, itong mga tong yield of right of way, kung napapansin nyo yung triangle na may nakalagay na yield, pag sa atin nakatapat yon, so dapat tayong nag-giveaway lagi pag papasok tayo. So, yan yun, no? Sa mga hindi pa nakakalam. So, ayan po yung logo na yan. Failure to give appropriate signal, 1,000. Illegal turn, 1,000. Ano? Failure to stop motor on notch handbrake of motor vehicle when unattended, 1,000. Ito yung naiwanan natin, tapos tumakbo. Unsafe towing, 1,000. Ito yung hindi tayo authorized, tapos ang pinag-tow pa natin, stally lang. Obstruction, 1,000. Motor vehicle carrying more than one passenger, 1,000. Refusal to render service. Ito pag mga public utility vehicle, 1,000. No franchise, 1,000. Overcharging, 1,000. No fraud. Operating the units with defective parts and accessories. Failure to provide fair discount. Pass, tampered, defective taximeter, tampered, broken joint, reconnect fake, altered ceiling wire. No signboard, pick and drop passenger items for public utility vehicle, 1,000 pesos. No? Carrying of illegal prohibited cargos. Failure to provide fire extinguisher and stop and go signage for use of vehicle, 1,000. Trip cutting, 1,000. Failure to display matrix, 1,000. Breach of franchise, 1,000. Driving an unregistered motor vehicle, 10,000 plus impound, no? And then 1 month document shall be impounded for 1 year. Unauthorized motor vehicle modification, ito, 5,000. Ito ang karaniwang kaso. Operating right-hand vehicle, bihira naman to, 50,000. Motor vehicle operating without or defective, improper, unauthorized accessories, devices, equipment, and parts is 5,000. Failure to attach or tampering of authorized motor vehicle license plate, 5,000. Ito yung mga walang plaka or madumi yung plaka mo, walang ilaw, 5,000. Fraud and relation of motor vehicle registration and renewal, 3,000. All other violation in connection with motor vehicle registration, renewal operation is 2,000. Ito naman is, load extending beyond project without permit, 1,000 pesos. Axle overloading, no? Ito, axle overloading is 5,000 to. Plus demerit points pa yan. Operating a passenger exceeding 160 kilograms is 1,000. Colorum bus, aray ko, 1 million. Colorum truck or van, 200,000. Colorum sedan, 120,000. Sa first offense to. Jeepney, 50,000. Colorum motorcycle, yung naghahabal is 6,000. Second offense, same price with 3 months suspension. And third, CPC revocation. So, hindi na kayo papayagang makabiyahe pamuli. Ano? Refusal to render service, 5,000. Second offense, 10,000. Third offense, 15,000. Ito, sa second offense, 30 days motor vehicle impound. Third offense, plus cancellation of CPC, no? Yung permit natin para maka-franchise. Over or undercharging, 5,000. 10, 15, failure to body markings, no CPC presented, yan, 5,000. First offense, second 10, 15, presentation of spurious CPC, employing reckless driving, no? Pag yung driver mo, reckless, 5,000. Public utility vehicle. Operating motor vehicle with defective parts, 5,000. First offense, 10, and 15 for third offense. No? And, bumalik. So, allowing an authorized driver to drive PUV, 5,000, 10,000, then 15,000. Failure to provide fair discount. Failure to provide LTF or complete, correct, and updated operator's information. Failure to display no smoking signage, no? 5,000 din po yan. Tamper defective taximeter, 5,000, 10, and 15 for third offense. So, ayan, tampered, no? Ito is for PUJ, PUB, and UB Express ng mga ano. So, ayan, no? Ayan, failure to provide PWD symbol. Laki ng kaso pag wala. 50, 75, and 100,000. Breach of franchise, 5,000. Trip cutting. Ayan. So, yun po yung una. And then, meron pang isa yung isa is yung eto, special laws naman. No? Yung RI Motorcycle Helmet Act. Yan. No? Mandatory use of motorcycle helmets. Ito po yung mga standard helmets. Ito, hindi pwede, yung mga helmet na to. Dapat may PS mark. Ito, ICC. PS mark or ICC. No, yan dapat meron ang helmet natin. Then, first offense, 1,500. Second offense, 3,000. Third offense, 5,000. Fourth and succeeding, 10,000 plus confiscated of driver's license na po. Ano? Ayan. Pag walang ICC, 3,000. Second offense, 5,000. So, ito yung sa top box. Kailangan kasi napaparegister din natin to sa OCAR. 100 pesos lang po yan. Pero, may sukat lang din po siya na 2 by 2 by 2 feet, no? Kung ikaw lang ang gumawa. Kung hindi siya aftermarket. So, unregistered costume. Ibig sabihin, ikaw lang gumawa. Apprehension, 5,000, no? Saddlebag, kailangan din po, nasa OCAR din to, 100 pesos lang yan. So, unregistered costume saddlebag is 5,000 din, no? So, ang sukat niya is 14 inches from side, no? Auxiliary lamps, ito rin, 10 meters ang forward, then 20 meters downward. So, kailangan hindi siya nasa taas ng ating headlamp. 6 bulbs lang po per lamps ang na-allow, no? And then, dapat may separate switch. Ayan po. No? Basa na. Nahirapan na ako basahin. So, alam niyo naman to na bawal din. First offense, 3,000. Second offense, 5,000. Third offense is 10,000. No? Succeeding may automatic revocation of driver's license. Pag hindi po abot ng bata, tapos hindi siya nakakayakap sa'yo, no? Yan po ang penalty nun. So, fines and penalty, 1 year imprisonment. Tricycle, common violation. Ayan po, pakibasa na lang din post kung yan po siya sa mga PUB or dun sa mga tricycle drivers natin, no? Alright. And then, eto. Failure to honor to report sale within 90. O, yan po yung bago, ano? Pero ngayon, binabaan na to. 5,000 na lang to. 5,000 na lang din yan. So, kayo na po bahala mag-post and kung nandyan po yung mga violation niya, no? Failure of the owner to report a loss or damage to stolen motorcycle is 20,000. Arresto mayor 1 month to 1 day to 6 months. 6 months to 1 day, no? Yan po. Ano na lang, baka andyan yung mga violation nyo. Hindi ko na po maisa-isa. Dami po talaga. Pero kung pwede po kayong comment kung meron kayong violation na wala dito sa inilabas kong video. No? Ayan po. So, ayan. Thank you. So, by the way, ulitin ko, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Iwiros. By the way, Mr. Joel Berino, isa po akong LTO accredited driving instructor, isa rin po akong trailer, truck driver, mentor, no? Yun lamang po. Thank you.